Hello, welcome to today's class. My name is Blumino Morin. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to stake your Harmony One with Ledger. If today is your first time of watching or visiting my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any vital information on crypto investing. In our last two classes, I showed you how to buy Harmony One on Binance and also how to transfer Harmony One from Binance and store it on your Ledger Nano S. If you missed any of these classes, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. I'm also going to link it up here. Okay? So now to the fun part, how to stake Harmony One. Step 1. Go to staking.harmony.one/welcome. I'm going to leave the same link in the description below. Step 2. Select use an existing address. Step 3. You're going to select use Ledger Nano. So this is where you're going to connect your Ledger Nano S to your computer. Okay, so now click on use Ledger Nano. As I explained in our previous class, you can only store Harmony One on Ledger Nano S. You cannot store Harmony One coin on Ledger Nano X as at the time of this recording. So this only applies to Ledger Nano S, okay? Here it says, please plug in your Ledger Nano and open the Harmony Ledger app. So I'm going to do that. So this is where I'm going to enter my PIN code on my Ledger device. So go ahead and do that. So once you do that, you're going to get somewhat of this notification depending on your laptop. Close out of it, then click on sign in. Once you do that, it's going to bring you to this dashboard, okay? So the next thing that you're going to do is to click on portfolio. If you remember in our last class, we transferred some Harmony One coin from Binance to this our third party wallet. So again, today I'm going to show you how to stake this. So the next thing that you're going to see here, you can see that I have a total of 10,571 coin, and currently I have about 10,024 Harmony One staked. This 547. This is the amount of Harmony One that it's yet to be staked. Once I start accumulating rewards, you're gonna see it here. Okay, so the next thing that you're going to do is to go on validators. So these are the list of the different validators. You can choose any one that you want, but you have to do your research. Usually this is going to show you the expected return, the amount of coin that is currently staked, the Harmony One coin that is staked with each of the validator, the commission and the uptime. So I'm going to go with this one, Matrix. So let me click on it. Rate of return is about 9.69, about 17 million Harmony One coins staked, 5% commission, and it's been up for the most part. I click on that, and this is their website. You can definitely do more research about it. You can see this validator staked about 250,000 Harmony One already, which is good. Rate of return has been pretty steady for the most part. So what I'm going to do now is select delegate. If you want to delegate the maximum, you just set maximum. But again, you're going to get this notification here that you're about to use all your token for this transaction. Consider leaving a little bit to cover the network fee. So for me, I have about 547 Harmony One coin yet to be staked. So I can just enter, let's say 535 and just say next. So this is what it's going to say again. Please plug in your Ledger Nano and open the Harmony app. So this is very, very important. Without you connecting your Ledger Nano S you won't be able to stake. So it's important for you to do that. So again, sign in into your Ledger Nano S. So on my Ledger Nano S is saying waiting for commands. So I'm gonna say confirm and sign. So now it says please verify and sign the transaction on your ledger. So on your Ledger Nano S, it's going to say delegate. It's going to say delegate. So right on your Ledger device, it's going to say delegate. So you're going to click this right button here. So click on it. Then it shows the delegator's address. So you're just going to navigate with this just to confirm. Once you confirm the validator's address, it's going to show you the amount. It's telling me that I'm about to stake 535 Harmony 1. So I'm going to click on this right button, this one here, click on it. So it says sign stake. I'm going to click on the right button again. And right here you can say signed and sent to the network. So this shows that it says successful delegation. You have successfully delegated your ones. So that is awesome. So if we go back to our portfolio, you can see what we just staked, 531 Harmony 1. Okay, so over the next few days, you're gonna see that when you come back here, you're gonna see the amount of rewards that you've already accumulated. In just the same way that we delegated, you can do that again. The same way that we stake the coins, you can always move your rewards and do that. So we've come to the end of today's class. As I often say, it's important for you to protect and store your crypto on an external wallet, and the best one out there is the Ledger Nano X. I'm going to leave a link in the description below for you to access the correct website to get your crypto wallet. Okay, we've come to the end of today's class. If you have any question whatsoever, leave them in the comment section below. I read all your comments and I'm going to get to them as soon as possible. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye bye.